Hey, it's Stuart here from Howard's in Dorchester. I'm just about to show you a short video of this Peugeot 208. This particular one is a 1.2 82 PS Allure Premium 5-door manual. This particular car is in Bianca white and it's currently only done 1,633 miles. Now the Allure Premium comes with the satellite navigation system and the panoramic roof over and above the standard alone. Hope you enjoy the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, this is a 2018 on an 18 plate Peugeot 208 1.2 82 PS Allure Premium 5-door manual in Bianca white, and it's done only 1,633 miles currently. It has the remainder obviously of the 3-year 60,000 miles manufacturer's warranty on it, and again has satellite navigation system and the panoramic roof over and above the standard Allure. We're on London Road in Dorchester if you'd like to pop down and have a look at the car, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066.